I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ranger ignition switch. First, always disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical shorts and ensure your personal safety. Next, gather your essential tools. You'll definitely need a few screwdrivers and a small pry tool. Finally, make sure your steering wheel is locked in the straight-ahead position before you begin any work. Now, let's access the ignition switch. Begin by carefully removing the screws that secure the lower steering column cover. Once those are out, gently separate the upper and lower halves of the column covers. You might need to disconnect a few small wiring harnesses that are attached to these covers to fully remove them and gain clear access. With the covers off, you can now clearly see the ignition switch. First, carefully locate and disconnect its main electrical connector. Then, proceed to remove any retaining screws or clips that firmly hold the old switch in place. Once it's free, simply install your brand new ignition switch, making absolutely sure it clicks or screws securely into its proper position. You're almost done. Reconnect any wiring harnesses that attach to the steering column covers. Then, carefully snap or screw the upper and lower covers back into their original positions. Finally, reconnect your negative battery cable. Now, insert your key and thoroughly test the new ignition switch to ensure everything functions perfectly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.